everybody. How are you doing today? Yeah. How was service today? Good. Yesterday was wonderful with the cohort, and so we're about to start tonight session for second day of the cohort. So if you couldn't join us last time, don't worry. You would have an opportunity soon when we launch the second cohort for you to join them so we can scale up. Don't forget, I told you earlier in the year that 2023, your plan and your goal is to scale up, either in your career, either in your finance, on your health, on your family, relationships. So we are going live on day 2 of the support on the career career accelerator workshop. So see you soon. Bye.